Hey, how's it going everybody? Welcome back to this week's video, and in this video I'll be talking about xAPI and how it interacts, how users interact with different objects, and it basically stores the data that is relevant to that. And so I'll just start the video with talking a little bit about each part of it, which there's the actor, the context, the object, and the verb. The actor is obviously just the person interacting with it. Then context is the important information about what it is you're interacting with. Object is that object, obviously, that you're interacting with, and then verb is basically what they're doing with it. So say if I go up here to my first little page, and I can actually just open up the Pikachu thing, kind of whatever, the listener, and it'll generate two different things right when I first click it. So say I interact with it, I know that's true. It's going to generate my first thing here, which is just saying that I'm interacting with it. The object, or I guess verb, would just be interacted with it, but it doesn't really have, like, since I didn't check yet, it doesn't have if I got it right or anything yet. And I click check, it generates another one, and then this time there's the result, which is completion true, success true. And if I got that wrong, if I refresh the page, say I got that wrong, I can do that, and then success would be false. And I went back and forth. So for each time I interact with something, it's gonna generate another little thing for it. So I interacted with it, I got it false this time, and it still displays it as answered, but it's just that my result would come as false. So in the real world, you could use this for your training or whatever, and if the user gets it wrong, then obviously that'd be stored into your database, which brings me to the next part of this video that I'll be going over in a second. But that would get stored in the database, and you can obviously see that they got it wrong, so then that's an issue with it. And I think over here, yeah, here's my database with it. I should be able to refresh that. There might be more in there now because I haven't updated it. But this has my Pikachu H5P, and then as well as my regular H5P plugin that's going to tell me my different stuff. This is just my Pikachu thing is holding the statements that obviously this is me, my email that it is storing whenever it's displaying this. And with the regular H5P, there's all sorts of different things that don't make much sense, but the contents would be where the title is what I named this is just storing my different types of interactable things for my website. So it has all of them, even the ones that aren't in use. I created this math one that's not actually in use, but it's still there. And it'll just have all of your different interactable things that are on your website in there, as well as all your other important information about user data and anything that you really need to be stored here, plus some. And that should be all I have to talk about this week. Hopefully I covered everything. Just to reiterate, so my statements, this is just a blown up version of what appears here on the side whenever I interact with something on my website. So it's gonna do that. And then I just have this on my website explaining everything. And yeah, that's about it for this. I hope you enjoyed this video, and this is my last lab for this class. So hopefully I'll be posting more to this YouTube channel at some point in my college career. Hope you enjoyed.